are watching Fevally Majay TV, the House of Wisdom.
Hi guys, this is Fevally Majay TV, the House of Wisdom. Okay, I used to read in the books about Mediterranean Sea, so I took my time to find out exactly where it is and at least to do some research about it. Now this is what I've come up with. First of all, we have to know that there is Mediterranean alone and there is Mediterranean Sea. We have Mediterranean alone and also Mediterranean Sea. We are going to start with the Mediterranean alone. Okay, the name Mediterranean derived from the Latin word Mediterraneus, meaning inland or in the middle of the earth. Mediterranean exists since about 6 million years ago, when it was still a dry desert nearly 10k feet, that is 3k meters, below the present sea level and covered with evaporite salts. Then later on, for the sea to be formed in it is about 5.5 million years ago. That is when Atlantic Ocean waters breached the Strait of Gibraltar, sending a massive flood into the basin, now in short Mediterranean, to be called a sea. It is about 5.5 million years old. So when the sea was now formed in it, we find that Mediterranean Sea was the central superhighway of transport, trade, and cultural exchange between diverse peoples encompassing 3 continents, that is 1. Western Asia, 2. Northern Africa, 3. Southern Europe. Mediterranean Sea is located at the north coast side of Egypt, that is at Alexandria city. The sea is so much blue, as you can see. Its blue color is not that the water is blue, but it is as a result of the reflection of the sky. You can see the sea is blue, the water is blue. It is not because the water is blue, it is as a result of the reflection of the sky. Well, if you are very much keen enough, you realize that there is some black stones in the sea. You can see some stones in the water, the black ones. Okay, the black stones you see there is to stop or to reduce the speed of the waves that can cause death. The waves mostly is too much during morning and evening hours. What we are talking about here is the Mediterranean Sea. This sea you see here is salty, but not too much salt. If you compare it with the one for Indian Ocean water, if you've been there, if you taste that Indian Ocean water, you compare it with Mediterranean Sea water, the Indian Ocean water is salty. There's too much salt compared to this one. Well, there is a lot about this sea that we can't say all. That's why I have decided just to take few points that are the most important. Now, after all this analysis, I've come to realize and also asking myself some questions, and I've decided to throw the questions to you. The research says that Mediterranean Sea is about 5.5 million years ago. How? How now? Anyway, who are we to question nature? Life is deep, nobody understands. This is a Fevally Majay TV, the house of wisdom.
Thank you for watching Fevally Majay TV, the House of Wisdom.